Hello everyone, it's Mammotion Tech, and today we're doing an unboxing video of LUBA 3 AWD. Let's begin. Here's the quick start guide, user manual, bumper, charging station top cover, right and left lower shell protector, charging station, accessory kit, and here's LUBA 3 AWD. Now we install right and left shell protector. Take care of the LIDA when you flip LUBA 3. Remove blade guard. Now we install the bumper. Now we're going to install charging station top cover.